the view right outside of the Queen of Hearts banquet hall. And look at this super cute vending machine. Have you seen anything cuter? I haven't. There's two of them. And then you have the Japanese lanterns up on top. Okay, that was bus number 2, and we just got off the bus at Maihama Station, which is right here. And from Maihama Station, you can get to Expiati, which is the equivalent of their downtown Disney. And then you can also walk very easily to Disneyland. And if you wanted to stop here at the Maihama Station for food or snacks, anything like that, you definitely would be able to. There's a Starbucks right there, but they also have a bunch of different kinds of food in there. Also, convenience store if you wanted to grab some bottled juice or water to bring into the park, some snacks, things like that. You could stop in Maihama Station before you walk over to Disneyland. So it's about a 13-minute walk from here, from where we are, to Disneyland. And at this light in front of us, we're gonna take a right. So what I was telling you before I had to shut my camera off when we were at the bus stop was that once your bus comes, then you can get onto the bus, make sure to tell the driver what stop you want to get off at. So we just said Disneyland Maihama Station, and then everything's displayed in English above where the bus driver is, or like off to the side, so you can see what the stops are that are coming up. And I think it was about the 7th stop on that bus that we were just on. And then you can just pay for the ride. It's $1.50, not a dollar, but in yen. 150 yen one way to get from the bus stop we were coming from to this one. And then we just paid with our Passmo card, which they accept on buses, subways, metros, trains. So you can get one of the Passmo cards at the airport and pay for your transportation that way. And then if you need to add more money, you just select English at the machines in the subway to add more money to your card. And they do have attendants there to help you if you get confused or need help doing any of those things. So that's really nice and helpful. And with those cards, you can also use them on vending machines if there's a symbol for whatever card you have. We have the Passmo, but there's also a Suica, I think that's how you say it. And I don't know if there's other options than that, but with that card, you can purchase it or pick it up at the airport when you arrive. And we just went to the information desk and purchased it there with no problem. They also have vending machines that you can purchase them at, so that's another option. It was just easier for us to get some help with that when we first arrived, so we picked it up at the information desk. So that's our view going into the park, and this is our first full day. We were here for the after 6 o'clock a couple of days ago, and they have the all-day pass. You can get a 2-day pass and a 3-day. So I'll probably go into more detail on those things when I do my tips video. Oh, they also have then the option of doing after 2 and after 6 o'clock. So we did the after 6 o'clock on that first day. So this is our first full day. We are getting ready to get onto Space Mountain. At least I'm hoping we'll be able to get on Space Mountain. If not, we'll just get a fast pass for Space Mountain. This is first thing in the morning and it's already very busy. So we didn't wind up going on Space Mountain because it's a 120-minute wait right now, so we got a fast pass. For those, we'll just come back later. So we can come back between 11:55 and 12:55. But down here you can see that we can get another fast pass at 11:15. So you only have to wait 2 hours to get your next fast pass. So that's what we'll do because the fast pass distribution closes pretty early in the day. So you want to make sure that you get your fast passes before that. And at Tokyo Disney Sea, I think they closed fast pass distribution around 4 o'clock, so it's pretty easy, pretty early. So we are on our way to Frontierland to see if we can start out with Thunder Mountain instead. And it looks like they're already blocking off for a parade in the morning. I'm guessing they're having a parade. So people are sitting out here waiting patiently for the parade to start. And we're just going towards the castle. It's really beautiful. We're headed towards Thunder Mountain. That's the view as we're walking into Frontierland. So you can see off to the left is the Diamond Horseshoe. There's the castle from the side. Oh, and here is Snow White's wishing well. That didn't come out very well. Wishing well. Oh my gosh, I'm getting tongue-tied already. Here are all these beautiful tulips. There's the wishing well. You can see the little eggs that they have painted with the 7 dwarfs. So this is during their Easter celebration season. So we're probably gonna see a lot more Easter decorations. Snow White's grotto. And it is so nice and sunny today. The last few days have been really cold and we definitely underestimated the cold here and didn't bring enough layers to keep us warm. So I'm hoping that since it's already starting out the day with this warmer weather that we won't be as cold tonight. So I didn't even have to put my scarf on to start out the day. I did pack it in my bag though, just in case I need it for later. And I can barely see a little bit of Thunder Mountain peeking out between those evergreen trees. So we'll probably around the corner here. Oh, there's a trading post. I wanted to look at their pins. I think I'm gonna sneak in there and look at their pins later on today. See what I find. There's Thunder Mountain. I can see it really well right now. And I'm really nervous that there's gonna be a really big wait. What I've noticed is, generally speaking, mornings are super crowded, but evenings start to thin out for the crowds. Oh, there's Hungry Bear restaurant. We might try that later on for lunch. So it looks like there's already a 110-minute wait for Thunder Mountain. So we're gonna wait until 11:15 and get our fast pass for this. So that's kind of a bummer. I'm kind of wondering if there's gonna be any rides that don't have a long wait. But we'll just keep looking around and see what we find. So it looks like we decided to go check out Pirates of the Caribbean in Adventureland. which is right next to us. And actually, even though in the US we call this area with Thunder Mountain Frontierland, here they call it Westernland. So we are gonna check out Adventureland next. We're just leaving Westernland and going into Adventureland. So you can see how it's starting to transition the themes. Adventureland is looking a bit more tropical already. And that looks like a tree house up there. I don't know if you can see it peeking through the trees at all. And I can already smell something curry something around here. And there's the Disneyland Railroad. We'll definitely have to check that out later. Polynesian Terrace is off to the right. Oh, that's Swiss Family Tree House there. Oh, they're doing a call for the Western River Railroad. I guess that's the name of their Disneyland Railroad. Squeezer's Juice Bar. So I'll let you see the soft serve cone. It looks like they're doing mango milk and mango and milk swirl for the flavors, 310 yen. Tapioca mango drink, 410. Orange juice or guava drink, 350. So that's what they have for the quick service there. Oh, they have the Jungle Cruise. On our way to Pirates, and this is the New Orleans area of the park. Looks like that's Pirates right there. So we're gonna go ahead and get in line because normally they load pretty quickly. Oh, this is only a 20-minute wait. Only 20 minutes to wait here, so we'll get it on this ride for Pirates. We just got out of Pirates of the Caribbean. There's the gift shop there. It was very similar to Disneyland's. It was partially in Japanese, partially in English. There's only one drop. And I think the scenes were in a different sequence, but other than that, it was very similar to the US. And it was fun. I like it. It loads quickly, so that's always good. We're gonna keep looking around. I think we're on our way now to Jungle Cruise because we can't get a Fastpass until 11. We're here at Jungle Cruise. It's a 40-minute wait. So it's a pretty big line. Hopefully it's actually shorter than that, but so far the wait times have been pretty accurate. Okay, we're getting ready to board. Not sure how good it's gonna be, not understanding all of the jokes. Part of what I like most about the Jungle Cruise in the US is the corny jokes. So we'll see how it goes. So we're gonna be next. We just got done with the Jungle Cruise. I really liked it.
I thought it was really cool, that whole tunnel thing.
I know.
They made it way more interesting.
Right, so I was a little concerned that not being able to understand the jokes, we wouldn't get the entire experience, but I like that they added that little tunnel part because it made it a lot more interesting.
Yeah.
So I really liked that. So I think now we are going to go straight ahead to the Swiss Family Treehouse. Here's Swiss Family Treehouse. Over there you can see the tiki room, but they call it something else. They call it the Polynesian Terrace, and over there you can see that Lilo and Stitch's car crashed. I really like the Swiss Family Treehouse. It's not very busy, so that's even better. So cute. The piano's playing. There's a really good view of the castle from up here. Yeah, that's pretty. We are headed to Toontown. We're trying to go to Huey, Dewey, and Louie Cafe for some lunch, but as you can see, there is a sea of people, so not sure if we're actually going to be able to eat there with how crowded it is. Depends on what the wait time for the cafe is. So we did finally make it to Huey, Dewey, and Louie Good Time Cafe right there. And we ordered the Mickey sandwich. It is chicken and eggs. Got some fries. Dominique and Noah got some pizza. It looks like there might be pineapple on your pizza. Pineapple and corn. Bacon? Oh, corn. It's corn. So let's take a bite and see how it is. Hold on, take it out? Yeah. Oh.
I'll be right back.
This is yours. Did I get
it's the same sandwich.
Oh, it's the same?
So that's pretty good. You want to taste yours and see if you like it?
God, give me a sec. My nose is dripping.
Dominique has allergies. And since we're here during cherry blossom season,
they've been super bad.
I knew it might be a problem.
Probably the worst I've ever been in a long time.
So I made sure to bring some allergy medicine, which helped a lot, but not fully.
Okay, take off an ear first. It's good.
Is it weird having corn on it?
No. We put corn on a lot of stuff.
This is just like a plain white bread. There's really no flavor. But then it has egg, like a boiled egg, kind of egg salad a little bit. And then a piece of chicken with the skin. I don't usually eat grilled chicken with the skin, but it's been fine here. This is typically how they've been serving it when we ordered the grilled chicken. It is time for our Fastpass at Space Mountain. There it is. It was busy this morning, really busy. So we had to get a Fastpass for this ride because this morning it was already 120 minutes. So we'll see how fast it is with our Fastpass. I'll let you know after. We just got off of Space Mountain and it was so much fun. It was actually not as scary as I thought it was gonna be because it just like kept taking you up, and when you think you get to the top, it keeps taking you up more, and then you kind of level out and go up again. So I expected a really I expected a really big drop, or like an upside down circle or something, but it wasn't bad at all. It was definitely fun though, definitely worth getting a ride. Fastpass only took us about, what, 10 minutes in line?
Yeah.
So anyway, hope you guys liked the video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Okay, so I'm at this cafe thing called something and Louie. So right now there's like stuff on the menu that I could get. Honestly, that Mickey pizza looks pretty down. So I'm thinking about getting that Mickey pizza. Or the roasted chicken on Chinese bun with egg. That also looks pretty down. But you know, we're out here. It's kind of hot and cold. I'm gonna probably go get a seat. Dominic, you wanna come with me?
No.
Okay, she doesn't want to come with me. So I'm gonna have to go by myself. I'll see you guys later. This is the end of the Noah vlog.